hard you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
Okay, now I'm on my way to the town center of Benut, riding along this road I showed you earlier, and this road will lead you back to Jalan Pontian, highway number 5. Oh, this place has some kind of nice vibe around here. Okay, this is the entrance I went through just now, so now we are exiting this area, Tampok Laut. Let me see, traffic is a bit heavy today. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's another small town right here, Tampok. There's a school around here on my left, I guess. Yep. Okay, we are nearing the area, the town center area of Bernot. See a nice iconic thingy over there. No chance to take picture though. Okay, this road, Jalan Jafar, will lead you all the way straight to the public market. So this is the main street where all the shops are, schools, etc. And wow, what a nice ride. Oh, interesting containers over there on my right. Maybe I'll take a look later. Oh, it's such a beautiful weather for a ride today. Not too hot. Okay, this is the junction. This junction is quite close to the market now. See a lot of restaurants here on the corner. Oh, interestingly, this place reminds me a little bit of Bangkok if you've seen my earlier videos, I think it's due to the looks of the buildings. Some of it can be quite old. Okay, no car. Gonna make a right turn here, following the GPS directions. Yeah, this place really reminds me of Bangkok. Make another right turn here, says the GPS. And go straight ahead, and I see some sort of a bus terminal on my left. Oh yeah, this is the Benut bus terminal. This bus terminal have public buses that goes to Pontian Kecil nearby. Okay, now gonna make a left turn here. Okay, we are entering the market area. A lot of shops, restaurants here. Fire station is straight ahead, and the left is where you enter the public market. I think it's closed today. I think the timing is not right now. Okay, that was a nice ride to the market area as well as the town center of Bernot. Now I'm heading back to the hotel, wash up, and then prepare to go look for dinner. Let's make a right turn here, and we are nearing the hotel now. Okay, I found this restaurant quite near my hotel, just a 10 minutes walk, and looks interesting here. I saw the large menu on the wall, and that is what attracted me to come here, take a look. See lots of foods here. Nasi campur, Malay version of mixed rice, and then you can have it with all the dishes that you choose. Singapore, Rojak Singapore. Wow, Singapore all the way here in Benut. And then you see more foods up there on the wall. Okay, ordered kopi tarik while waiting for my food to arrive. You shall see what I ordered in a while. And this is what I ordered. Some garlic naan. Oh my, the smell is wonderful. And then it came with this, I think it's mutton curry or chicken curry. And then, wow, look at that. What a wonderful dinner. Yum, yum. Good morning, everyone. Oh, it looks like a beautiful morning. I just woke up not too long ago, and just walking to the main door of the hotel where my bike is. My bike is still there, okay. You see how the camera fogs up. It's really cold, the aircon. Oh, it looks like a nice day to fly my drone. Okay, let's do it.
When we go to bed at night, we won't turn out the light until we made it right and repair the fight. We talk about what's tough, not afraid to bring it up. We laugh when times are rough. All of is enough to carry us through. You bring me roses on a Tuesday, kiss me at the red light. We both like to walk down in Shelby Park. You hold my head at bedtime, you know my favorite wine. This is why we work, why it's you and I.
In the middle of the day, you turn to me and say, come on, let's get away. Skip this town for a day. Get behind the wheel and drive. We don't care about the time with you by my side. I don't need to hide, I feel alive.
Alright dear friends, that's my little video on Benut. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.